So we've scanned the Hyundai for fault codes relating to the gearbox. There's loads there for parking sensors, low voltages, nothing relating to the gearbox. However, we're just doing a health check on it at the minute of the car. I've no idea who did that, right? I've never seen a brake pipe flared like that, right? It's either leaking or it's been bled there, but that is moving in there, right? That, for me, is dangerous, right? So whoever's left that like that is needing a word with themselves, because that there is really dangerous, right? I would need to take that back apart for... Oh, I've not put that back right. There is fluid in there, but that is not... That's not right, that needs attention. That doesn't look right either in there. It looks very black between here and here, and the engine is soaked from the top all the way down to the bottom. So we'll lift it and see what other mechanical defects is on the car, and then we'll report it back.
It's not diesel. That's diesel.
Some severe leaking.
That's
there.
what she's got a leak probably. I'll start it. Diesel, something like that.
I think we'll just inspect the rest of this car before we do anything.
There's a puddle in there each thing.
Puddle in there, but look,
That one's loose.
that one's very slack or something, see it? So, but we'll inspect the rest of the car and then we'll get to this. This one here, binding on, should spin freely. Right, that one's a wee bit better, but not much, and the pads and discs have just been done on it. Amazingly, there's no advisories at its last MOT. Amazing that. Right, so you can see it's all wet underneath here, right? Obviously the intercooler there as well, looks like the intercooler might be leaking on it too, right? Because that's all sweating, right? But there's why it's leaking there. So a brand new radiator, like I said. I'll see if I can get this to stay up here because my flash is too low. Go and hold that for me, will you? Hold that up there, and I'll show you. Right, so that pipe's slack. Right, I'm not going to touch it, right? Because we didn't fit the job. Right, we didn't fit the radiator, so we don't know where it's come from, but it needs to go back because it's faulty, right? So there's that there, and then I'll show you the other really dangerous bit on it. Now this is something that I would recommend getting done before it even leaves the lift, to be honest with you, but it's entirely up to you guys. So your spring broken, and they're just resting on themselves there. Well, dangerous. That shock absorber is so badly rotten that it's leaked through it. It should have probably failed its MOT on that. That trailing arm bush there is knackered. So there's that one, and that spring's broken as well. So it's got two broken black springs. So that heat shield, which is part of the fuel tank, it's riveted on up there. Bolted on at the front there. I'm sure it's riveted on at this side. No, it might be bolts as well. So you might be able to replace that one. But aye, it needs two rear back springs, and obviously those rear back pads and discs need done as well. Really low. That one as well, really low. So you can see how that one's spinning, right? That's how the front wheel should spin. Right? You should be able to take your hands off and they should still be able to go. Otherwise, it'll need the disc and pads done again very soon. Not sure what's happened there. So, obviously, and I've showed you that brake pipe. I've showed you the brake pipe, and you can see the back, it's soaked as well. So, but that is what's dripped all over my floor, so you can see it there, bump, bump. Right, so it is flying out it, right, all the way down, and there's a puddle underneath that Astra as well when it was running. So I've got the ABS pump in the bad. I don't know who did that brake pipe, but it doesn't look right to me. So you can see those back discs as well, very pitted, right? So it needs discs and pads in the rear. So I've got a Hyundai I40, that's the registration number there, and we've already did a wee clean up job on this. Put the torch in so you can see it all. Right, we'll give it a clean. So clean it with the brake cleaner, and then press there. Right. Alright. So something not right there, eh? The car's now dangerous to be driven. Okay, that's enough. Still too tight, isn't it? See what it's done here. Right. Still too tight. Come out now.
What's that now? Doesn't look at an angle.
Well, if they've cross-threaded that, then I'll do the one on ABS pump.
It does look like a... Maybe it's just the...
What on earth? That's a female flare.
It's not right anyway.
Oh, why is it not?
They've just done it wrong. Then I'll get a new brake pipe and see if it screws on easy. Eh?
Aye.
That's just flared wrong. To me.
Well, I wonder if it's just not a thick enough flare.
It's not right anyway, is it?
No.
Unless the pipe's got a wee splatter or something you can't see. It just looks as if it's been hot male and female. It's not enough. It'd be merely a don't rivet than a flat bit.
Well, it's certainly looking at it.
Right, I'll try a wee thing doing that.
Yeah, hold on. No, but I've just got a brand new end. Aye. Aye, make them up and keep them. Right, well, that's another end there. Unless... Oh no, that's not screwed into that.
That'll just empty itself.
I think that's cross-threaded, China. Let's see what you think. I can't get that to screw in with my hand.
You can't get it screwing with your hand.
Right, we're going to need to put a wee... Right, so keep that... Right, I can't get that to screw in with my hand. Because...
Might be just with my eyes, but it looks as if it's at an angle.
Aye, so it goes in a couple of tons and then it stops.
Right, go slack. It's fine and then it stops. It should just screw right down.
It should go all the way to where there's a...
And I don't think that was right down. I think they fucked it. That should just screw right down.
Right, we'll need to clean that out. I don't...
Is it on?
Aye, it's in. I'll go with a completely different one again. Come out. Right, so that's proper brand new.
I can see it's a bit rough, see it?
I've chewed that up.
It's a bit chewed. Hello there, sir.
Aye.
Isn't it?
Aye, right. That'll do.
Just need to try a new pipe end on it.
I'll need to put a tap down that. Better. So I've flared that again, I've put a new nut on it and I've flared it. I've just chopped their bit off, right? So I've no idea. So if this doesn't tighten, if this doesn't seal now, then it'll need an ABS pump, unfortunately. Or we'd need to take that away and then get somebody to engineer it, try and fix it, but I'd probably just suggest a pump. We can see it with the naked eye, and obviously I've run a new one of them up and down, up and down, up and down to see if we can clean it up a bit. So hopefully we have. I should be able to screw that in by hand, but I still cannot. So I just need to go to span up.
Yeah, you better do it. I've turned it off, I think.
Just following me. Good this. Got this pedal. Right. On. That's cool now. There's nothing there now. Right. So you can actually, it'd be hard for it to focus, right? But you can just see, so I'll give it back to the customer. It's either been horsed up on the wrong thread, or there's been crap in it and they've forced the crap down it, because you can actually see on the thread it's up the top there, it's like all stretched. So I'll leave that in the car for the customer. I'll put it into a glove. Actually, I'll put it in that wee bag here. Right, so there's how you get into your auto box, top up, right, your box out. That pipe is off because we were doing that brake pipe anyway. So we've rechecked the brake pipe, there doesn't be any more dramas with it. So, and I've bled the brakes there, so I've bled the left front. Okay, I will clean that again just so we can monitor it. But we'll top up this gearbox there, so it's a plastic bolt there, so don't go crazy on it. And we've checked that pipe again, it seems tight and it's no leaking, so fingers crossed it stays that way.